right, we just finished up the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 full Mansory kit. As you can see, this is in black with a Charles blue interior and Charles blue accents all over. The Mansory Cullinan Series 2 kit is very, very intense. Comes with an insane amount of parts. We're gonna kind of go over real fast what we did here. Full forged carbon fiber hood, top grille vent right there. As you can see, it has like these two vents. We blacked out all the chrome on this car, all the chrome front grille, door handles, window moldings, all that stuff was chrome. We had to black that out with paint. So all this you see here is painted. And then you got the custom Charles blue inside the grills everywhere. All the grills. Not just that one, but literally every single grill. All those grills come from Mansory, and we wrap each slit individually. You have a forged carbon fiber lip on the bottom. Obviously, Charles blue Spirit of Ecstasy right there. Full fender replacement. This is not your little add-on. This is a full fender has been replaced. And as you can see, it has these cool features on the side with the Mansory lights. And then obviously you got the wide body, which Mansory now added a carbon extension to it. So you get all that detail in carbon, forged carbon on this one. You get forged carbon there on the vent, all the rocker panels there. You get these door panels right here that eliminate the ugly moldings. And now you have forged carbon fiber design right there. It looks really nice. Emblems, of course, hand painted. You got the blue hand painted pinstripe that goes along the car. Of course, the D-pillar trim, which looks insane. The roof wing right there in forged carbon. You got the trunk spoiler, which also is new, and the light up emblem. So you could kind of see how it goes through. But yeah, that lights up Mansory is super bright. Honestly, it's daylight out here and you can see it lit up. Center exhaust, full exhaust is changed. Honestly, it sounds pretty cool. It has valves so you could go from quiet to loud. A lot of forged carbon fiber again all over. And then hand-painted Mansory emblems. And obviously same thing with the side. 26-inch wheels over here. Not 24s, these are 26s. And this is in low mode, so look how insane that looks. It's a big car, big expensive car, and it is that low. We also have the center caps with the Charles blue detail as well. So it's incredible. Let me show you guys the interior. Full Charles blue. Look at that. Looks incredible. And look at that craziness right there. Hope you guys like it. We have two more in progress. Black on red and a white one as well. So on to the next one.
We have this brand new Jeep Wrangler. This car came to us straight from the dealership. We didn't do too much to it, small little details, but made it look nicer. So let's show you guys what we did. So this, behind this, was all body color. Behind this was all body color, of course. And behind this, around the whole window frame was all body color. So basically the whole idea, concept that the customer wanted was to pretty much make the whole top end look black without adding without doing anything, custom paint or nothing like that. So that's what we did here. We have the satin black wrap. That looks very nice with the top. Also around the window frame and also on the bottom, from here all the way there, we also did that. And let's go to the back, show you around the back. So we added some black wrap here to sort of give it like a black contrast in the back. And we did the same here as well. And believe it or not, something very, very small and minor really makes a big difference. So this is it for this one, and customers on the way to pick it up.
We have another Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2. This is a 2026 Cullinan, actually, believe it or not. We're already into 2026 with the cars. Black with the red guts, and there's gonna be full-on Mansory build as well. All the forged carbon fiber, all blacked out. We're gonna do red accents, red front grills, all that stuff. We're gonna make it look insane. We're gonna make it look like the Phantoms that we used to do in black and red that broke the internet. If you guys don't know, the Mansory kit and Cullinan is very, very expensive. We're talking about well over $1 million in just kits, just parts. So a lot of stuff. But yeah, I think this black on red one is gonna be really, really nice.
It's nice. But yeah, this is not a thing. It's definitely not a P1. 720S. But they did a good job. We have a McLaren 720S. This car is in here for a regular maintenance, nothing crazy. We're gonna do oil filter change, top off the fluids. Also, we're gonna do a coolant flush on this car. It needs it. Check tire pressures, make sure everything's okay. Do the reset procedure. Yes, we do it all here. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens, whatever you guys need, from regular services to heavy builds. This is the stupidest thing Mercedes ever did. What is this? As you guys know, this car was in a front end collision, and it's a very, very hard color to actually get right. This car is done. We've repaired, bodywork's done, paint, primered, all beautiful. As you guys can see, you can't even tell the difference. Everything looks great, and it's all washed and detailed. Tow truck's here on standby. And this is the only car that I know that dances, so yeah, pretty cool. What the fuck is this?
Just keep it on.
Who the fuck threw this?
You're fucking the buffer guy, bro, not me.
And that's when you know when they have nothing to do. I don't know what this is. What is it, SL?
What is it, Javi?
This is a SL, right? I think so. It is an SL. We have a beautiful Mercedes SL here. This car only has 45,000 miles. Very, very good condition, very good shape, but it's time for some maintenance and services. So it's making a lot of noise, the right front of this car. We're gonna go ahead and check that. Javier's doing that right now. Also, we're gonna check the brakes, suspension, and see what's going on. It's never had a normal service because it's been very, very low mileage. So we're gonna do that right now. Once we know what's going on, we're gonna start on the repairs and get this bad boy back on the road.